This year, I am so excited to be serving in the HeartSounds committee because I get to co-lead this and we get to help bring this event come to life with our amazing committee. We get to help raise funds for CCAV. The local community gets to come out, local leaders, they get to be part of this event with us. They donate to our live auction, our silent auction. They get to experience all the magic that comes with this event, especially this year's theme being the Golden Gala, a night of pure imagination. It's just going to be a wonderful event and we hope to see you all here.
Hi, my name is Wandala. This year I am serving as co-chair for the HeartSounds Gala. Pure imagination is a twist on Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. My why is this gala means so much to our community because this is how we're able to support and take care of the children that's in our community. Children are our future, and if we don't invest and protect them now, then our future is going to be messed up. So with that being said, my why is for our future of our children.
Hi, my name is Brandy. I'm on the HeartSounds Gala Committee. This event is special to me because I feel that the children of the Antelope Valley are in desperate need of our love and support. It's a great event. I'm excited to be a part of the committee. I do have 4 children of my own. They are born and raised here in the Antelope Valley, and I would love to see our community come together and support this great cause.
Hi, my name is Nia, and I'm on the HeartSounds committee because I love watching the power of community. As a small business owner, coming together, seeing how it really impacts the community as one is one of the best things in the world, and it costs nothing to volunteer your time to be a part of something so incredible.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Mike Hernandez. The reason why I'm on the HeartSounds committee this year is because I'm really excited about not only forming something that's gonna celebrate all the work that we've been doing over this last year, but also it's just to invite everybody out for a night to celebrate as well and showing the impact that we really do have on the community.
What's your why for being on the HeartSounds Gala Committee?
The kids. It's all about the kids for me, helping out where I can.
I'm so excited to be on the committee for the HeartSounds Gala this year. We are going to have a magical experience with the Willy Wonka theme, and it's going to be an opportunity for us to bring our local leaders and our community together to have fun, to donate, to participate in the different auctions, to raise money for families and children in the Antelope Valley. So we hope to see you there. It's going to be a wonderful night. Don't forget to get your tickets on the CCAV HeartSounds website.
The reason why I'm on the HeartSounds Gala community is just to bring everyone together, and all the funding that we get will get contributed back to our kids and our community.
The reason I'm in the HeartSounds Gala is mainly because I want to be able to share all the wonderful things that CCAV is doing to help our community, our children, our family. And with the funding reduction across the country, I think there's a great opportunity for all our community members to be able to support our children in the future as well.